Hi guys, welcome to Crystal Rivers by Safaricom. This is an estate comprising of 3 and 4 semi-detached maisonettes and apartments. The price for the 4-bedroom maisonettes is 15 million and the price for the 3-bedroom maisonettes is 14 million. The price for the apartments is 8.5 million. Today I'm going to show you one of the 3-bedroom maisonettes and you'll tell me if you like it. The print area of the 3-bedroom maisonette is 1,560 square feet. Each unit comes with a 2-car parking and a front yard. Let me show you. This is the parking of one of the units and it comes with this section here that contains the control unit and the gas cylinders area. On my left hand side you have this garden that extends to the backyard. Let me show you. As you can see, it's very beautiful. And you have your trees here just to increase the greenery. Next to the garden, you have this hallway that leads to the second entrance of the maisonette and the servants' quarters. Let me show you. Just follow me. This is the second entrance to the maisonette, and this is the servants' quarter. Let's get in through the main door. Let's get in. Wow, from the entrance, I can see the living room. On the far end, I can see the dining area and the kitchen, and these are the stairs to the upper rooms. This living room is big enough to fit a 6-seater or a 7-seater couch, and this is where you put your TV. The living room comes with a center light, 2 center lights actually, and you have your side lights here and here. The living room gets its light from this window and the 3 additional windows on this other side. Next to me, you have the dining area of this maisonette, and as you can see, it's already big enough to fit a family of 6 people. The dining area comes with this section here that connects to the kitchen, and also it comes with this section here that can be used to keep your crockery. Next to me, you have this door that leads to the powder room and the other door that leads to the kitchen. Let me show you the powder room. In here, you have your water closet and your tissue holder. Let me show you the kitchen. But before we get into the kitchen, you have your sink here and a mirror. This is the kitchen of this maisonette. And next to me, you have an area for your fridge, and we already have a fridge here. And it's a big fridge for your storage. Next to me, you have your upper and lower cabinets, and these are beautiful cabinets. You also have more storage here, and that will be sufficient for you. Next to me, you have an area for your cooking stove, and next to it, you have more storage. The kitchen also comes with a double sink that comes in handy. On my left hand side, you have this door that leads to the laundry area and the servants' quarter. Let me show you. This is the laundry area, and it comes with an area to wash your shoes and an area to place your washing machines. Next to me, you have the employee quarters, and next to it, you have the kitchen garden. Let's get back inside. From the kitchen to the living area, these stairs leads to the upper level. In the upper level, we have the 3 bedrooms and a rest area. Let me show you. This door leads to the rest area. In front of me, you have the 1st bedroom. On my left hand side, you have the 2nd bedroom. On the far end, you have the primary bedroom. Let me show you the rest area. This is a small, beautiful rest area. You can use it for your barbecue, or maybe you can get your morning or evening sun from here. You also get very good views of the mall. Let's get back inside. From the rest area, let me show you the 1st bedroom. This is the 1st bedroom, and it can be used as a kid's bedroom. The closet of this bedroom is on my right hand side, and the bathroom of this bedroom is on my left hand side. Let me show you the closet. Before I show you the closet, you have your mirror here. This closet comes with a sectioned part and several drawers. And next to me, you have an area for your clothes and an area for your shoes. Let me show you the bathroom of this bedroom. This is the first bathroom, and it comes with its sink here and a water closet. Also, it comes with a mirror and a shaving light. On the other side, you have the shower cubicle that comes with all the showering equipment. Let me show you the second bedroom. From the first bedroom, this is the second bedroom. But before I show you the second bedroom, you have this section here that acts as an extra storage. Let me show you the second bedroom. In this bedroom, you have your closet on this side and you have your bathroom on this side. This bedroom is slightly bigger than the first bedroom. Let me show you the closet of this bedroom. The closet is floor to ceiling and it comes with extra drawers and an extra storage here. This other section is just similar. On my right hand side, you have the bathroom of this bedroom. Let me show you. This bathroom is just similar to the bathroom that I just showed you in the first bedroom. You have your water closet, you have your sink area, and on my other side, you have the shower cubicle. Let me show you the primary bedroom. From the second bedroom to the primary bedroom. Wow, this is a big bedroom. On my left hand side, you have one of the closets. On my right hand side, you have the other closet. Let me show you. This closet comes with two sections. This section and this other section. This bedroom is big enough to fit a 5x6 or a 6x6 bed. On the other side, you have the window of this bedroom, and it's very big and it brings a lot of light to this bedroom. The bedroom also comes with this section that can fit a small couch. On my right hand side, you have the other closet and the bathroom of this bedroom. The closet is just similar to the one that I showed you. Let me show you the bathroom. This is the primary bathroom, and it comes with a sink here, a water closet, and a mirror which comes with a shaving light. On the other side, you have this shower cubicle that comes with all showering equipment. That's all for this bathroom. And that's all for Crystal Rivers. If you'd like a unit with us, please feel free to holler. I'll leave everything else in the description below. Please make sure you like the channel and you subscribe. Bye and see you in the next video.